Good morning, students. Under the same series of Adobe Photoshop CC, the topic which we're going to cover today is about cropping tool and gradient tool. So first, we'll talk about cropping tool, what it is. It is used to select a specified area that you want to focus on and removes the unwanted parts or everything outside the selected area of a picture. So how we can crop an image, let's see that in this video. So in this video, we're going to learn that how we can able to crop the image. So for that, we have to select the crop tool from the toolbar and have to select that area which we want to crop. So for that, the pointer, you just check it out that this pointer has changed the cropping symbol, and while holding the left mouse button, drag it across the picture to make a rectangular selection, and just have to release the mouse and you can see this particular area has been selected. So, and if we want to select only a particular area in the picture, so for that we just have to click on the area and that will be cropped. This outside black area is known as the shield, and the inside area which we have selected is known as cropping area. To finish the cropping process, just double click inside the selection or press the enter key. You'll find that the selected image is cropped. Adobe Photoshop is basically an image editing and retouching software, but we can also create artwork by using different painting tool like gradient tool. So gradient tool allows us to fill an area with a range of colors in a specified pattern. It creates a blend of two or more colors. Gradient of color can be filled with a linear, radial, angle, reflected and diamond gradients. These are the options which we find on the option bar. So let's proceed with the video. So in this image we're going to apply the gradient fill on the background of this image. So for that we just have to select the gradient tool from the tool panel. Here we are applying gradient fill on the background, only on the background. As you can see, we are having two layers. One is of background, another one is of image. So we are applying on background. So just click on the gradient tool and from the option bar, select gradient editor. There you can select any of the pattern from the presets, and with the help of gradient picker, you can even change the color. Just have to click on OK, and after that just click and drag the mouse pointer in the selected area. You can notice that the selected gradient gets applied on the selected area. Here I am applying the another one. Just click and drag it and you can find the change over here. Suppose now if we want to apply the gradient on this image, so that is not possible. Just see here we are applying with the magic wand tool. We have selected this particular area with the tolerance 90. So whole flower image has been selected. And if we want to apply the gradient fill on that, just select any of the pattern and click on OK. And if we drag the mouse pointer, it is not possible. Just see, could not use the gradient tool because the smart object is not directly editable. That means we cannot apply directly any kind of gradient on the image. We can do this only on the background of it.